Shelf in Ecoxy is used to enter the shelf details where the product is aligned. Ecoxy enables the user to create a shelf, and user can arrange the products into the right shelf. To access the shelf form, click on the inventory menu and select the option shelf. While we clicking on the option, it opens to the page of shelf. It includes various options and it shows the details of shelf that we already created. We can see the details like shelf name, shelf number, and the current status of every shelf. On the right side of the data table, we can see a pencil icon here. This icon indicates with edit option. If the user want to edit or make a change after created the shelf, then it can be edited by using. Next, the inactive type of shelves are highlighted with red color. On the left side of the page, we can see a color format. This red color indicates with inactive shelf. Now let's take a look at which all other options are available in the shelf form. On the left side of the page, we have a filter option here. This filter option helps the user to filter or customize the shelf data. While clicking on the filter option, the filter tab will be opened, and here user can enter the shelf name or shelf number to filter the data. User can also filter the data by selecting a particular status. After enter the details, click on the apply option to filter the data. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can enter a shelf name and can access a particular type of data. Next option is add new shelf. With this option, user can add a new shelf. While we clicking on the option, a new shelf form will be opened. Next one is the export option. With this export option, user can export the complete shelf data with Excel format. Now let's take a look at how to create a new shelf. To create a new shelf, click on the add new shelf. Here, user need to enter the details to create a shelf. The first one is the shelf name. Here user can enter the shelf name. After enter the shelf name, the next is the shelf number. Here user can enter the right shelf number. Next, here we have an active option. If the user want to save this shelf as an active, then mark the option as an active. Otherwise, user can save it as an inactive by unmarking the option. After enter the details, click on the save option to save it as a new shelf. Here we have a cancel option to cancel the form without saving, and also we have an exit option to exit from this page without saving. While we clicking on the save option, it redirects to a shelf page, and the saved details will be available here. When the user creates a new product, then the created shelf details will be available there, and user can arrange the products into the right shelf. So these are the details included under shelf form. Thank you.